Hey, you guys, checking in with you. I figured I'd make a little video on why I elected the Aquafeel whole house water filtration plant. So with me, obviously, I've been doing Rainbow the 34 years, and then the air cleaners for 20 years. And then people kept asking me, do you guys, anything else that you guys sell? And water was the most common thing that I got asked about. So what I did is I did some research, found different companies, inquired about them. And the reason that I elected Aquafeel was because it's high quality, just like the Rainbow, and it's high quality, just like the whole house air filtration units. The advantage of these guys is they're not a regular water system that you buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. Those, they have a lifespan of anywhere from 3 to 5 to 7 years. The reason I picked Aquafeel was because they have a 25-year warranty. So what it does is softens the conditions, it purifies, and that's for the whole entire house. Now, if you have chlorine, which town water usually do, and fluoride, this unit actually eliminates that. And I didn't know this, but when you take a shower, especially a warmer shower, your pores open up, and that's when you kind of take in the most amount of chlorine in the whole entire day. So basically, you're embalming yourself once a day every time you shower. The advantage of this unit, not only does it take that, it takes the chlorine out, so you're able to, when you shower, it softens, it conditions, and it also purifies. That's for the whole house. It takes out fluoride, takes out any chemicals that might be inside the water. And the reason I went with them was because they also have a 25-year warranty. And that was a big thing for me. And the other thing is that they do the servicing on it once a year. Lastly, under the sink, they put the reverse osmosis. The advantage of that reverse osmosis is it also has, that particular unit has alkaline. You have the choice, you can have alkaline water, which a lot of people elect. And the alkaline water, when you cook, it'll be better. The foods will taste better, the pasta will taste better, the rice will taste better. Anything you cook in it will taste better. Pertaining to protection, it protects your coffee maker, your dishwasher, washing machine, pipes, water fixtures. So basically anything water goes through, that whole house water filtration protects. So that's the reason that I went with the Aquafeel solution. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me. You guys enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.